Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to implement Zendrop to Groove, and this is actually very easy. At first head over to app.integrately.com and then create an account, and this is very easy. After that a page like this should pop up, so we're going to type integrate Zendrop with Groove, just like so, and we're going to click on generate. And it might take some time depending on your network speed and the traffic data. And then once it's done, it's going to show you the steps, and we're going to just click on activate, just like so. You could also change if you have anything that you want in particular, but for now I'm just going to show you the basic tutorial of how it's done. And then select the value of what you want, suppose every day, and then we're gonna hit on continue once it's loading. And similarly, it's going to ask you a bunch of other questions of Groove and everything. Just set them up, log into your account, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.